How to plant tulip flowers for ornamental plants for beginners. Tulip or tulipa are flowering plants that are included in the Liliaceae family. Tulips originated from Central Asia and Western Asia in the Pamir Mountains and Hindu Kush and Steppe Mountains in Kazakhstan. Tulip is a plant that has a tuber with a height ranging from 10 to 70 centimeters, has a narrow elongated leaves waxy with a bluish-green color, and has a flower with 6 pieces of crown leaf. Tulips have many colors of flowers such as orange, red, white, purple, blue, yellow and many other color gradations that are all very beautiful. It is estimated there are approximately 100 types of tulips in nature. Because tulips are so beautiful, many people love them, including Indonesians. Although much preferred, these tulips cannot be grown in any place. Tulips can grow only and bloom in cold climates with average daily temperatures below 16 degrees Celsius. Tulip flowers can actually be planted in tropical climates, if we can modify the microclimate environment to match the climate of the original region. It was once tested in Singapore and was successful. If you want to plant tulips in Indonesia, you should provide a greenhouse or greenhouse as a place to grow tulips. To protect the humidity and daily temperature in the greenhouse is given air conditioning. Here are how and tips to plant tulip flowers in Indonesia. 1. Preparation tulip flower seeds. Tulip flower seedlings can be obtained from multiply bulbs or seeds. However, because it is difficult to get it, then the seeds of tulips must be imported directly from the Netherlands. If the tulips are planted from tubers, then the flowers will grow within a period of about 1 year. When planted from seeds, the tulips will grow within a period of about 5 years. 2. Planting media to plant tulips. Planting media used to grow tulips is not a problem because the soil includes fertile soil. To prepare the medium of tulip planting flowers, simply mix the humus soil with husk and compost fertilizer with a ratio of 3:1:1. In addition to greenhouses, tulip planting can be done in areas with adequate environmental conditions of growth. One of the areas that can be used as a cultivation of tulips is the famous Dike Plateau, has a very low room temperature. 3. Pre- and post-harvest tulip flowers. If you are successful in cultivating this tulip flower, one of the main steps that needs to be done before the tulips are sold is post-harvest technology. Newly harvested flowers are originally fresh in a greenhouse, but after going out it will definitely wither. For that need to be done post-harvest technology by protecting the temperature of the area to keep the tulips flowers to remain as usual and gradually lowered so that the tulips can adjust. Similarly, our video on how to plant tulip flowers for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully useful, and follow our next post. See you soon and thank you.